Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluency.
My name is Kathy. Today we are going to practice daily routine sentences from morning to night. This is for beginners, A1 level. We will say each sentence 2 times. First, I say it, then you repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go!
I wake up. I wake up. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I sit up in bed. I sit up in bed. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I look outside. I look outside. I say good morning to the sun. I say good morning to the sun. I make my bed. I make my bed. I fluff my pillow. I fluff my pillow. I put on my slippers. I put on my slippers. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I grab my towel. I grab my towel. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I put toothpaste on my brush. I put toothpaste on my brush. I brush for 2 minutes. I brush for 2 minutes. I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I use warm water. I use warm water. I dry my face with a towel. I dry my face with a towel. I apply my moisturizer. I apply my moisturizer. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I style my hair. I style my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I smile at myself. I go back to my room. I go back to my room. I open my closet. I open my closet. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I put on my pants. I put on my pants. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces. I check myself in the mirror. I check myself in the mirror. I grab my jacket. I grab my jacket. I zip my jacket. I zip my jacket. I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen. I turn on the kitchen light. I turn on the kitchen light. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out the milk. I take out the milk. I take out the eggs. I take out the eggs. I pour my coffee. I pour my coffee. I add sugar to my coffee. I add sugar to my coffee. I stir my coffee. I stir my coffee. I toast my bread. I toast my bread. I put my bread in the toaster. I put my bread in the toaster. I wait for the toast. I wait for the toast. I take out the toast. I take out the toast. I spread the butter. I spread the butter. I add jam on my toast. I add jam on my toast. I slice a banana. I slice a banana. I put the banana on my cereal. I put the banana on my cereal. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink my coffee. I drink my coffee. I wash my plate. I wash my plate. I dry my plate. I dry my plate. I put my plate away. I put my plate away.
I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I put my laptop in my bag. I put my laptop in my bag. I put my notebook in my bag. I put my notebook in my bag. I put my pen in my bag. I put my pen in my bag. I check my phone. I check my phone. I check the time. I check the time. I check my messages. I check my messages. I fill my water bottle. I fill my water bottle. I put my water bottle in my bag. I put my water bottle in my bag. I grab my keys. I grab my keys. I put my keys in my pocket. I put my keys in my pocket. I lock the door. I lock the door. I pull the key. I pull the key. I pull the door to check it's locked. I pull the door to check it's locked.
I walk to the elevator. I walk to the elevator. I press the button. I press the button. I wait for the elevator. I wait for the elevator. I get in the elevator. I get in the elevator. I press the ground floor button. I press the ground floor button. I get out of the elevator. I get out of the elevator. I take the stairs. I take the stairs. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I see the bus coming. I see the bus coming. I raise my hand. I raise my hand. The bus stops. The bus stops. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I tap my card. I tap my card. I find my seat. I find my seat. I sit down. I sit down. I look out the window. I look out the window. I plug in my earphones. I plug in my earphones. I listen to music. I listen to music. I relax on the bus. I relax on the bus. I see my stop. I see my stop. I press the stop button. I press the stop button. I stand up. I stand up. I step off the bus. I step off the bus. I walk to my office. I walk to my office. I open the door. I open the door. I say hello to my colleagues. I say hello to my colleagues. I go to my desk. I go to my desk. I put my bag down. I put my bag down. I sit on my chair. I sit on my chair. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I type my password. I type my password. I check my emails. I check my emails. I reply to my emails. I reply to my emails. I start my work. I start my work. I look at the clock. I look at the clock. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. I stand up. I stand up. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I open my lunchbox. I open my lunchbox. I eat my sandwich. I eat my sandwich. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. I drink some water. I drink some water. I talk with my friends. I talk with my friends. I laugh with my friends. I laugh with my friends. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I go back to my desk. I go back to my desk. I continue my work. I continue my work. I attend a meeting. I attend a meeting. I listen to my boss. I listen to my boss. I take notes. I take notes. I ask a question. I ask a question. I answer a question. I finish my tasks. I finish my tasks. I print a document. I print a document. I file my papers. I file my papers. I clean my desk. I clean my desk. I turn off my computer. I turn off my computer. I grab my bag. I grab my bag. I say goodbye to my colleagues. I say goodbye to my colleagues. I leave the office. I leave the office. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I tap my card again. I tap my card again. I sit down. I sit down. I look out the window. I look out the window. I arrive at my stop. I arrive at my stop. I get off the bus. I get off the bus. I walk to my building. I walk to my building. I open the main door. I open the main door. I take the elevator. I take the elevator. I go to my floor. I go to my floor. I walk to my apartment. I walk to my apartment. I take out my keys. I take out my keys. I unlock the door. I unlock the door. I open the door. I open the door. I go inside. I go inside. I close the door. I close the door. I lock the door. I lock the door. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I put my bag down. I put my bag down. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I rest for a moment. I rest for a moment. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I cut the vegetables. I cut the vegetables. I cook the food. I cook the food. I set the table. I set the table. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I drink some juice. I drink some juice. I clear the table. I clear the table. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I put the dishes away. I put the dishes away. I take a shower. I take a shower. I wash my hair. I wash my hair. I use soap. I use soap. I rinse my body. I rinse my body. I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel. I put on my pajamas. I put on my pajamas. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face again. I wash my face again. I apply my night cream. I apply my night cream. I go to my bedroom. I go to my bedroom. I turn on the lamp. I turn on the lamp. I sit on my bed. I sit on my bed. I read a book. I read a book. I read for 10 minutes. I read for 10 minutes. I close my book. I close my book. I put my book on the table. I put my book on the table. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I set it for 7 a.m. I set it for 7 a.m. I turn off the lamp.
I turn off the lamp. I lie down. I lie down. I pull up the blanket. I pull up the blanket. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I breathe in. I breathe in. I breathe out. I breathe out. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. Good night. Good night. Thank you so much for watching. You practiced more than 50 sentences today. Amazing work. Repeat this video every day to improve your English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more videos. See you in the next lesson. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.